how to manually set your IP address in Windows 11. So from the desktop, go ahead and select on the search bar in your taskbar. If you don't have a taskbar showing that, you can always, of course, hit the Windows key and S on your keyboard. I'll go ahead and do that. From here, it will go ahead and bring up a quick little settings menu. What you're going to want to do, go ahead and search settings. And then from there, go ahead and click on the settings option. This will open up the system settings window, and over on the left-hand side, you'll have a find a setting search bar. Go ahead and type in Ethernet, and then click on the Ethernet settings option. This will then open up the Ethernet tab of the network and internet settings. And you'll notice about halfway down, there is the IP assignment option, and it is currently set to automatic DHCP, which will not be set for a manual configuration. To change this, what we're going to go ahead and do is click on the edit button. And then from here, there'll be a short drop-down list with automatic DHCP or manual. And of course, we want to manually, statically assign the IP address. So we'll go ahead and click on manual. Then it gives you two options, one for IPv4 or IPv6. I'll go ahead and give you a quick demonstration of IPv4. So let's go ahead and say I have the 192.168.0.0 range. I'll go ahead and type in my IP address, and we'll go for the first usable address in this space. We'll go 192.168.0.1. My subnet mask being 255.255.0.0. My gateway address will be the last usable or IP address in this range. So we'll go 192.168.255.254. That would be the gateway of the router in this situation. Preferred DNS. So what you can do for this, you can really set it to whatever you want it. Sometimes your router will have a DNS already preferred set to it. You could set that for the same one. I like to use the web DNS. I'll just do 1.1.1. And then you can have on automatic for automatically choosing HTTPS or on manual. We'll go ahead and leave that on automatic template because we want it to go to 1.1.1.1, which would be over the internet. So once we've done that, we can also set a fallback or alternative DNS. We can also do a fallback to plain text here. We're not going to worry about that. And then we can also, like I said, do an alternative DNS if we want to as well. But that is how we set the IP address statically on Windows 11. We'll go ahead and hit save. And we'll notice here now it has the information that we needed put in. And you should be able to now use that IP address if that is in fact the subnet that your router or the switch that's providing the network to your device is currently set for. So that is how you manually set an IP address on Windows 11.